There are some ratings you should be aware of when you're shopping around for fiberglass windows. We here at Midland Exteriors want to take you through them so you'll be better informed when purchasing windows in Lee's Summit, Missouri. First up is the U factor. This measures how well the window insulates. The lower the number, the better. Next, the air leakage rating. This measures how fast air will pass through the joints of the window. Here again, a lower rating is better. Condensation resistance is how well the window will resist the buildup of water on it. The normal range averages between 30 and 80. Then there's visible transmittance, which measures how much sunlight the window allows to pass through it. Higher values indicate the window lets in more light. Lastly, there's the solar heat gain coefficient. This tells you how well the window will block the sun's heat from coming through. A rating of around 0.4 is ideal. This should help when purchasing windows in the greater Kansas City metropolitan area. If you're looking for a window replacement in Lee's Summit, Missouri, call Midland Exteriors at 855-735-8255 for a free estimate.